Hey, what's going on, guys? Tater with RayShop.com. I'm in a 1956 T-Bird. Convertible, comes with a hardtop. It's in the showroom. I'm 6'3", 300 pounds, and it took everything I had to get in this thing. But I'm in it, so we're gonna do a drive video for you. Nice start. It's an automatic. Fires right up. Engine oil pressure 60, 65. Amps are charging. It's hot here in Missouri. It is hot, and this fat boy's the one that does all the drive videos, if I can fit in them. Excuse me. A lot of pollen too. So we're going for a little cruise. Goes right in gear good. Temperature's not quite up yet. Looks like the fuel gauge is working. Tach seems to be working. We got a oil pressure gauge, which is 65 or 70. Amp gauge charging. We'll see if the temperature gauge on the dash works. The speedometer's working. Like I say, guys, we always do undercarriage pictures. That way it gives you a little more information, so you don't have to keep calling us and emailing us to try to get them. And if you do have questions with the RayShop.com, just give us a call. Our number's right there on the website. It's 573-693-7223. And just ask for Tater or Corey. And one of us will be there to give you the information you want. That's probably the fastest way to get information on a car if you're in a hurry. So going for a little cruise in the 56. It's nice. Steers good, power steering, power brakes. Goes through the gears good. Drives good. Speedometer's working. Let me scrunch down a little bit. Oh yeah. This is a daddy going to town car, or mama. Put your little lady right here. Like I say, I'm 6'3", 300 pounds, and once I get in it, I'm pretty comfortable. And honestly, my eyesight is under the down a little bit on the windshield. I'm doing 60s, driving good. Temperature gauge starting to work on the dash, so its original temperature gauge is working. And to remind you, the motor in this car has been completely rebuilt, and the transmission has been completely rebuilt. And you'll have all the information about that on the specs. Just go to RayShop.com, go to inventory, and click on it, and it should say everything you need to know about it. It should have all the undercarriage pictures and everything you need to know. Everything that I usually take pictures of and send should be on the website now. We're trying to get a little more thorough, so we don't have to go back and forth all the time. Just driving it a couple miles up the road here. Temperature gauge is holding good. Ooh, it's got a loud horn too. Turn signals are working. Turn signal indicators are working. Tach's working. This is Peacock Blue, supposedly. We'll get on it a little bit when we pull out of here. It's warm here in Missouri, but it ain't too bad when you're going down the road. Oh yeah. Shift's good. Brakes work good on it. Everything seems to be fine for a 1956 car. little driver. Good brakes, power steering. Alright guys, check us out, raceshop.com. I'm getting ready to pull back in the shop, grab